Okay guys, welcome back to Anyways Tech. We'll be talking about the latest updates and latest features and latest improvements on the newest version 26.52, and it's the first time in 2 weeks Microsoft released the they work on Canary but together rather than separately. And basically both have been recently receiving 26,000 X. So 26,000 have receiving is basically based on 26,052. So the future the Canary is gonna get more higher build and the open channel will continue to get 10 build based on the command 36,000. Alright, so what's new in this update is that's basically what I talked about, and also this will bring all the features from the for the development channels. So basically energy saver, scrollable quick settings, QR code for 5%, support for creating sound zip and star file, as well as the zip in file for Windows protected pin mode, voice connectivity, and as well as features message box, protocol changes, improvement for Windows local administrative process pollution, also called the LAFP or LAPS, as well as also multiple improvements in setting across settings and improvement for Bluetooth and graphics as well. There's also note that the tip and wordpad is going to be removed after this build. Okay, other than that, there's a major update. So this is sudo. Sudo is basically Linux feature where you can basically install stuff and process stuff directly from terminal, Windows terminal in this case, but it usually works on Windows 9X and Mac of install. In Linux and Mac, you using in terminal, right? So similarly, you can do that in Windows in terminal. The Windows command is using terminal, not command line. Windows console. Windows console is basically going to be going in the future maybe, but it's for now terminal is basically the main stuff that is working on Windows terminal, Windows 11. Alright, so Windows terminal is the main stuff that you can run the sudo code. So this is some features you can run. It's basically new Windows input disable as well as in inline. Alright, so there's also installment for hearing aid support. So that means you can get better quality of service in better settings within the setting app itself. For example, you can control your visual sound automatically and as well as adjust your sound independently using the settings itself. You can also put basic and present and all this stuff. Alright, so they can also monitor boot yourself, as well as you can also check audio and control the audio settings for the devices directly from your computer rather than using on audio device itself. For example, you can also check the hearing aid and you can enable it from from the computer itself. Alright, so there's also audio mic. There's audio in different processing mode. So something similar to this, you can see a default communication as well as you got to make the can also record samples as well. So with this build, you can also tell this basically version 24h2 rather than 23h2. So Microsoft is moving from 23h2 to Windows 11 24h2. So Windows 24 Windows 11 24h2 will be released by the end of this year and will match your update for sure. It might come to advanced set to 24h2 or might even movement update similar to 23h2. I'm not really sure how they can push forward these features into the 24h2, whether by whatever movement update or directly to the 24h2. Last year, Microsoft moved to the movement update and then moved to 24h2. 22h2. However, 22h2 is not released for everybody yet, so even I didn't get update yet. So if you didn't get 22h2, don't worry about it. If you want to install the update, you can install it directly from the Microsoft website by downloading the setup and install it. In the locator side, download Windows 11 as well as open download the setup and then thus install it, or use Windows 11 installation assistant and get to Windows 11. Alright, so other than that, you can also experience a Windows Copilot and to start experience summarize. You can also summarize it. So you can also there's before they disabled the Copilot starting feature, but now it's enabled, as well as it's also working on series of the devices, and you can now start Copilot when Windows starts. This feature was previously visible, now is enabled. So now you can also get update the save icons like something like this. As well as with this build, you can also use the non-still as the taskbar, tab and lab, as well as the task view for files for Windows will indicate this, that the Windows indicate multiple tabs. So that means if you open tab, it should be showing that a lot of tabs open within the same page. Other than that, there is also Bluetooth. You can also connect to filter in Bluetooth as well. Alright, so there's also color management feature. Something previously used to use separate settings for it, but now everything is unified in one setting based on its color management. Alright, so basically, other than that, there's also very stiff features now supporting limiting search to cover the selected keys as well as this search. Something similar to this, you can put search in subtree and search for it. Alright, so other than that, there is also introducing a power grid broadcast API. So with this feature, you can also import optimizer is improve minimizing environmental impact as well as optimizing app behavior. So other than that, there is an energy saving notification call out where you can improve the energy saving experience. Previously introduced in the 2002. So app can also not subscribe to the energy saver status by passing the app grid to the national app power setting notification API, as well as implement different behaviors to optimize energy as well as performance based on the current saver status. They also making some changes to the small changes to the STD power mode API, so improve a new energy saving mode, and also it will be determine whether it will be done to the effective power mode as documented to be released date and later future version of the build. Alright, so other than that, there's also developers that can use the shorter graphic API in next generation in framework in which it will secure Windows key with specialized base security. You can take a look over here. So other than that, there is also settings and under settings, boot RAM device as well as the scanner. You can also choose Windows protected print mode, but also clicking the button, create a button under printer preferences has been continued to refine in the future build. There's also moving the password feature, your password features Wi-Fi to the settings. So basically, Microsoft moving many things from the control panel to the setting app. So other than that, there's also UI input view version updated version UI for storage space under settings, space storage and storage spaces. So in this feature, you can use multiple features and we finally updated added to the settings page for the control panel. So other than that, there is also just a test notification in the PC and the text low starter. It will basically in this message. Don't show in the power starter. So under the camera app, we can now use the camera app to scan for QR code and connect to the Wi-Fi network. Or even you can just form share your Wi-Fi network to others as well. So fixes for non-issue. There are some series of fixes for non-issue which I'm not going to talk about, but basically it's that status update. So you can also now use the save dialog if you want to save the file. Canary in file explorer is now saved to feature library than showing ever. So there are some games might not work, then this issue is basically there for Canary for long users and also development users as well. And there is some content, some game Microsoft Store game apps, video streaming apps that might not work. Other than that, there is some other issues, non-issues within the updates. So yeah, so Microsoft update, you can now see Microsoft 365 is now basically showing with more improvements and more in UI as well as also comparison of what is within different home and pro edition, and also Martin here, but home and pro is separated and show exact device, exact price and exact features or difference within the home and basically the personal and family edition. Alright, so there is also series of features that might not reach everybody at once, and there's also some hidden features you can have that is well known. Okay, so in the future, this the bill will be 24:2 will be much higher. This is just temporary, and in the future, it will be in jump to a much higher bill. As we talk about in first early version of this video, and now the latest version of the video, you can see that this confirmed that they're going to push this further to the future version. If they push it beyond 75 27,500, then there's less chance for Windows 12. Alright, so if it is less chance for Windows 12 anyways. So other than that, there is a pre-installation Windows 12 will be good if you want to move within the low build, and then for high build you don't have to do pre-installation. As well as there will be desktop watermarks shown in the low desktop is normal, as well as file half complete look over the inside build with inside the channels. Okay, there's also Windows Copilot will be soon be available in more markets as well as North America is already available in North market, North America, United Kingdom, and parts of Asia and South America, and they will get more markets in the future. Thanks for watching. If you take please like, subscribe, comment, share, and have a nice day. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe and enjoy.